Welcome to Introduction to Maya series. I am your instructor Rohan Page. In this video, we are going to see the workflow of texturing a car. This is the second part of two-part series video tutorial. What will be our workflow? In last part, we have seen how to unwrap a car and how to apply a material. In this part, we will see how to create a texture for car and how to apply it on our geometry. Let's start with the session. In last video series, we have unwrapped our car geometry, and this is the UV layout of car. We will save this UV layout and later on we will create a texture in Photoshop. So go to Polygon, UV snapshot, save the file in respective drive. Site should be 1024 and the image format should be JPEG. So let us see how we can use this car UV and create a texture for this car. So I have opened Photoshop over here, and let us open our UV. This is my car UV where I'll be texturing my car. So create a new layer and I'll just rename it as car base color. Now I would like to give a car base color. So before you texture, if you want to take references, what kind of texture you can apply, you can definitely search on internet. So while searching on the internet for the references, you can search as an image category. You can type in car texture maps, so that you will get some kind of references which will help you to create or think about the textures. I want to create a police van, the texture of police van. So let us create it. You can find the references where you can just select it. You can find out like this, or else you can have the name stickers like this. Let me just zoom in to the reference image. You can use any color, you can use stickers also. So let's download the logo if you want to use it. I would like to create NYPD car, so NYPD logo PNG, so it will be transparent one. I want a large size. I'll just select it and save this. I'll save it in download section. Right, so now I'll just go to Maya. I want to create a texture. With the help of pen tool, I'll first make the selections. Make sure that you are using this pen tool not as a shape but as a path. filling it with the color. If you're getting confused like from where to start or not, you can go back to Maya and just check it out where you can add the color. Now I want to create a half portion color with white. Go back to Maya if you want to check from where the glass area will come. I'll just select the edges. we can later on add the for this glasses. We can add for creating glasses. We can add later on a material where we can apply transparency and other thing. So I'll keep this like it. Okay, so this is a basic color of my car. So let us see, while creating a texture for car, you can simultaneously apply it on your geometry and you can check whether it is coming good or not. So let me just check how it is coming. So you can save this file in PSD. Apply a material and then apply a material and then go to file. I'll apply a file node where I will be able to import my PSD texture. So just go to your respective drive where you have saved your PSD. Right now I am getting this color. So I know that I'm having some problem like this over here, and then I'm getting a problem at this area. So we need to do a proper coloring over here. So let's sort it out. I'll just merge this. Just reload it. You need to reload it. So the problem has got sorted out. You can apply a single color over here if you want to. So I'll just apply a single color because it is giving me some kind of artifacts. It's not looking proper. I'll just save it and reload it over here. Okay, the problem at this area. You can simply move UV. Okay, I'll apply a white color at this area, or else just try it out to move it. I'll keep it red only. Okay, reduce the opacity now. I'll just select, I'll go back to Maya. What I'll do is I'll select this glass area. I'll apply blend. We will work on the transparency and reflection maps later on. I'll just assign existing material blend. Now I want to add NYPD logo. So I'll just open the file where I have saved it. I have saved it in downloads. So I'll just go to download section over here. Or else I'll just simply go over here, show in folder, and drag this. Save it, just reload your file. Go to material attribute. So I can see that the texture is getting stretched, right? So I will have to work on the scale. Okay, this is okay for me. Now at this area, I just want to create a white color strip. I want to see where I can add this. just create directly a line and press Ctrl Enter. I'll fill it with white color. Right now I want to use give a name for this. So what I'll do is I'll write down the text with the white color, that is NYPD, that is New York Police Department. NYPD. Use any font which will be suitable or according to your requirement. I'll just rotate it counterclockwise. I'll duplicate this logo, Control T, rotate it counterclockwise. So I've duplicated the name and the logo, and I'll also duplicate the name over here with a blue color. I'll give it italic look. You can just type in, if you want to, a number plate. So what I'll do is I'll go to Paint tool. I'll just select this area where I want to place my number plate. You can go to Maya and you can just check it out with where you can mention the number plate. This can be a number plate. So I'll go back to Photoshop. I'll just select this area. Control Enter. I'll fill this with this yellow color. Type in the number which you want to. I'm just using a random color. I'll just type in like 007. Let's type 007. I'll rotate it in clockwise direction. Okay, so just check it out how it's looking. Go back to Maya, material attribute editor, and reload. Okay, it's looking good. I want to create a red color strip at this area. I'll go back to Maya. I'll just select this area and fill it with light gray color. Now I will require a car headlight texture. So what we can do is we can search for the texture. Save the texture and I'll just open it. I'll just delete the excessive white area, or else I'll just go to select pen tool and I'll select the shape to remove the white portion. I'll go back to Maya just to check out which is the front light, which is the tail light. So these are the front lights actually. These are the front lights. So I'll go back over here. I'll just, before transforming, I'll convert it to smart. I'm adjusting the shape as I do not have any right image, so I'll just adjust it with the wrap tool. I'll fill this color with simple red color, dark red, you would say. I'll go back to Maya. I'll select these two side vents. This is white, this is red, so I'll just go back and fill the color. Save this file, I'll go back to Maya and reload it. Right, so here I have created a very basic texture where you can see the headlights where I have uh, placed the headlights, and I have used the logo and a simple name over here and the number plate, right? So now I want to create glass and the reflection on the glass, so I'll just select this portion also. Assign existing material, blend. I'll go to the material attribute. For reflected color, I will require one HDRI image, which we can apply on the geometry of a car also. So I'll just type in HDRI. So you will get such kind of probe images, so spherical reflections to create angular reflection, you can say. I'll use this image. Go to environment texture, environment ball, and then apply file. So you can see that there is a lot of reflection. So I will have to reduce it first of all. So I'll go to reflectivity and reduce the reflectivity, increase the transparency little bit. Okay, this much reflections are okay for me. For back portion, select from where you want to create glasses. I want to create a reflections for this car also, a car body. So I'll just select any single face, just select any single face of the car body, material attribute. I'll go back to reflected color, environment texture, environment bond. It is showing me lots of reflection. So just go back to its material attribute and reduce the reflectivity. So this much is okay for me. You can see the reflections on the car. Right, so we have created a texture for this car. Let me just save the file. I'll select the tire. I'll just go to mesh, separate it. I'll delete all the tires. Selected it. I'll give a simple black color. We will learn the texturing of the photorealistic tire in upcoming video series. So that I'll just give simple black color. Assign new material. I'll apply fog. Give a black color with less, with zero reflection and little bit of specularity. I'll select it. Let me just add a little bit of extrude. If you want to create a chrome reflection, you can apply blend. Then go to reflected color, environment texture. In this way you can texture a car with the help of Photoshop. So let's see what we have learned in this video. What we learned in this video: we have seen how to create a texture for a car with the help of Photoshop. In this two-part video series, we have unwrapped this car with the help of planar mapping, and then we have took that UV snapshot to Photoshop and we have created the texture. So if you want to know more or you have any queries, you can follow me on Facebook, or you can mail me on rohan.pageanimator@gmail.com, or you can join the classroom with this code, or you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.